most of our time, we're gonna find a few
roadside
stops. Yeah, so nice places to stop that are right alongside the road, super easy to get to, or that are just a quick drive down a dirt road that doesn't require four-wheel drive or any sort of ATV. If you've researched the area, you know there is tons of stuff to do out here if you have an ATV or four-wheel drive vehicle. If not, the options slim down a little bit. And if you have a dog and you don't want to go to the national parks nearby, your options are even smaller.
So let's go show you around.
It's 7:44, and this is the earliest we've woken up and gotten ready for the day in a long time. That's because we are headed down to Kanab to figure out, or to try, if we can win a walk-in lottery permit for the wave. These are exclusive. They don't give many out. We can have our fingers crossed. And look at the sunset. I mean sunrise.
Whoa, what is that?
I mean sunrise. The Wave is a 3-mile hike to a wildly famous sandstone rock formation. Permits are required, but winning a permit almost feels like winning the Powerball lottery. You can apply for the Wave online about 4 months before your scheduled date, or you can test your luck for a next day walk-in permit. Every day at 9 a.m. at the Kanab Rec Center, those of us feeling lucky stand by, crossing our fingers that our chosen number is one of the 4 that rolls out of the bingo game set. Only 4 groups, or 16 people, whichever comes first, are selected. So if all 4 numbers called are for 2-person parties, only 8 total permits are given out that day for a next day hike.
Rigged.
Hello, I'm back. As you saw in those clips, the people that win get cheered for, the people that lose leave. We lost. No winner, no chicken dinner. Day 2, for some reason I was like, it's a Tuesday. There's no way there's gonna be more people than yesterday. There were more people. There were 52 groups, 118 people. Unfortunately, the bad luck seems to keep coming at us today because something happened.
After 2 years of blending every morning, I dropped the blender this morning, and I've spent the last 30 minutes trying to fix it, and that thing is like, you can't get inside of it for some reason.
He means he dropped the base that actually blends, not this.
So now I'm going to go to smoothie shops and just be like, hey, I don't want to waste this. Can you throw it in your blender?
The trick there is that we're in Kanab. There happens to be one juice, like acai bowl shop in town. We're going to go check that out. Hi, guys.
Hey, how's it going?
Going on.
This might be a really weird thing, but my blender literally just broke. I'm in a camper van, so I don't really have another option. Can we like throw it in your blender? Like I'll pay you for it or whatever, but...
Thank you, you're a lifesaver. Now that we have our smoothie situation figured out, we went off to explore the area. First up is the sand cave, and only a 5-minute walk from the van.
Now, we will go where many have gone before. Up to this little cave on the side of the highway. So, let's check it out. Ready now?
Heading a little further off the main road, but well worth the stop, are the coral pink sand dunes. Dog-friendly, endless fun, and totally empty. Definitely sounds like our kind of place.
We just rolled up to the pink coral pink
sand dunes.
Coral pink.
Yeah, we've driven by here probably 4 times over the last 10 years. No, 6 years. And we've never stopped. But today is the day that we do. We're just going to go out there and explore at sunset. No sandboarding, unfortunately. But it's going to be fun. We love a good sand dune.
What do you think? Excuse me?
Feeling caged, unsafe, lights are out. I'm fading, angels for move on, just move on. So deep, deep below, not alright. You cannot see, time's too slow. Can't keep fighting. Used to be free, but now just so losing my mind. It's on my head, it's on my head. Not to love.
Oh, I just threw so much into my sock. Wait for the shot where I dump all the sand in my shoe. It will be no less than a pound of sand. Wow, what a beauty. Old Ziploc bag that I'm gonna dump my sand out from my shoes and socks into, and then we're gonna weigh it with my handy dandy weight thingy. Stay tuned. Make sure we don't lose any. This is still the right shoe. Okay, left shoe. All right, let's weigh it. It weighs 0.33 pounds. Not a pound, but close.
It's a lot of sand.
Located just at the halfway point between Kanab and Lake Powell is Nautilus. This is a true hidden gem and a very easy 10-minute hike down a wash before reaching the main attraction.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited without a sign. 'Cause I know what matters.
Alright, ready? I'm gonna jump across.
Oh, go for it.
Ready?
Dude, are you stupid? No! Evan!
What's your biggest
My landing pad.
You're joking.
Alright, on to the next one.
Further towards Lake Powell is the Toadstool Hoodoos Trail, a well-known hike but with plenty of space to explore on your own, and it's only a 1.6-mile hike out and back.
And we're off. on another one.
This one is called Toadstool Hoodoos.
It cracked.
And it's been quite a few years since we stopped here. So, I'm sure not much has changed.
You never know in these desert areas.
So we've made a quick pit stop at Lone Rock on Lake Powell. We were here in 2011 and we camped here on like the hottest day of the year. It was
sweating balls in our rooftop tent.
Oh yeah, and we were in a rooftop tent at the time, which was a little breezier, maybe. I don't know. It was horrible.
Well,
the heat.
Yeah.
The water, however, was probably right about here. And now, as you can see, it has receded a lot. You can almost walk. Actually, we could walk to Lone Rock. There's still boats out there, though. I do one day want to do like a houseboat on Lake Powell because there's a lot of really fun
Party rock.
and yeah, really fun and pretty like coves you can go and hang out in. We just stopped here for a quick lunch, but it's also a nice roadside stop. And it's totally free if you have a national park pass to use as a day area. Overnight camping is $14, which is not that bad either. Our last destination on our southern Utah easy roadside stops adventure is the one, the only Horseshoe Bend. This needs no introduction, but if you haven't been recently or ever, things have changed. For example, there's a fee now.
And it's technically in Arizona.
Oh yeah.
Another drive-through window, another dog treat. I really love that all, like, so many places.
All right.
Great, thank you.
Have a good one.
I love that so many places are starting to carry dog treats with them at their stations. I don't know, it really like puts a nice glow on the experience, I guess. And Penelope loves it. Huh?
For a dog.
Oh yes, for a dog. For us. I mean, the glow is for us. So our final stop on this quick roadside tour is the infamous Horseshoe Bend. This is our at least third, maybe fourth time here.
But first time being back where it's like pay to get in and everything.
It's all fancy now.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life?